In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of your Shopify product descriptions by editing your theme's code. This is a fantastic way to ensure that your store's design aligns with your brand's aesthetic and provides an optimal reading experience across devices. To begin, we first need to access the theme editor, which is your gateway to customizing your store's look and feel. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Here, you'll see a list of the themes that you have available. Choose the one you want to make changes to and click on Actions, followed by Edit Code. This will open up the code editor, where all the design magic happens. Next, let's find the right file where the magic will happen. In the code editor, you'll notice a list of folders on your left-hand side. Look for the Assets folder. This is where the CSS files reside, which dictate the styling of your theme. The file you want to open is usually called base.css or theme.css. This file controls the overall styles of your theme. Once you've opened the appropriate CSS file, it's time to modify the font size. If you wish to change the font size globally, meaning across all devices, simply scroll to the end of the file and add a new CSS rule. Here's a bit of code you can use. Product description.rte. Quick add hidden / font size 16px. Buys. Now make sure to replace 16px with whatever font size you want to use for your product descriptions. For those looking to tailor font sizes to specific screen dimensions, media queries are your friend. These handy snippets of code allow you to specify styles that only apply to certain screen widths. To adjust for devices like tablets and phones, you'll want to add two media queries right after your global style. The first one will target mid-size screens, such as tablets, with @mediascreen and max width 820px and min width 451px. Ast.product.description.rte. Quick add hidden font size 15px. This sets the font size for tablets like iPads. Next, for smartphones, add another media query. @mediascreen and max width 450px. dir.product.description.rte. Quick add hidden your font size 13px. This adjusts the font size for smaller screens. After crafting your styles, don't forget to save your changes. It's a small button at the top of the code editor that can easily be overlooked. Now it's time to see your hard work in action. Go to any product page on your Shopify store. Refresh the page and observe your updated font size. Take the time to check the appearance on different screen sizes to ensure that your adjustments are responsive and look just right. This small design tweak can make a significant difference in readability and customer satisfaction on your site.